We usually find out square root of any numbers by long division method, repeated fraction method, and so on. We know that all these methods is a long process. But I am here to give you a simple trick to find square root of any numbers in just few seconds. Even though the number is a 3-digit number, 4-digit number, or 5-digit number, you can use the same trick to find square root. So let's get started with today's video. And I am Shaiba and you are watching me on WebTorial Simplified Your Learning. So today we are going to find square root of different numbers. Here we are looking 3-digit number, 4-digit number, and also 5-digit number. Before going to this step, you should understand one rule. If we know the last number of square of any number, we can find out last number of its root also. If we know this rule, what this rule says, if the last number of square is 1, its root may be, last number of root may be either 1 or 9. For example, we know that 1 square is 1, 9 square is 81. The last number of both the numbers is what? Square of last number of both the numbers is 1. And if the last number of square is 4, its root may be either 2 and 8. We know that 2 square is 4 and 8 square is 64. The last number of both the numbers square is 4. Likewise, the others numbers also 3 and 7. If the number is 3 and 7, its square will be 9. So, if the square of any number, last number is 9, we can know that its root may be either 3 or 7. And if the last number of square of any number is 6, its root may be either 4 or 6. And if it's 5, its root will be 5 itself. Okay. By heart this rule, now we will check how to find out square root of different numbers. Find out square root of different numbers after two numbers from the ones place, put a comma. Okay, here after two numbers put a comma, after two numbers put a comma, and after two numbers put a comma. Now look at ones places. Okay, if the last number of ones place is 4, what will make its root? Its root may be either 2 or 8. Either 2 or 8. Understand? Now look at the number before the comma, that is 7. We want to find the perfect square lying in between 7. We know that the perfect square lying in between 7 is 4. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, and 3 square is 9, which is greater than 7. So if we take 2 square, 2 square is what? 4. So we take 2. Okay, 2 square is 4, which lies below the 7. Okay, we are finding square root. So root of 4 is 2. We take that number. Then the number after 2 is what? 3. Product of 2 by 3 is 6. This 6 is what? Less than 6 is less than 7. So among these two numbers, if here is less than, we take the greater number. We take the greater number. So 8. So our answer will be 2, 8, 28. Now look at another example. 4096. The last number is 6. So its root either 4 or 6. 4 or 6. Now the perfect square lying in between 40 is what? 36. We know that 6 square is 36 and 7 square is 49, which is greater than 40. So we take 36, which is root of 36. 6 square is 36. So root of 36 is 6. The number after 6 is 7. The product of both the number is 42. The product of both the number is 42. 42 is what? Greater than 40. Greater than 40. If here the number is greater, we take the smaller number. Okay. So our answer will be 64. 64. Isn't it easy? Okay. So next number is 7569. The last number is 9. So its root may be either 3 or 7. Now the number before the comma is 75. We know that perfect square lying in between 75 is 64. 64 8 square is 64 and 9 square is 81, which is greater than 75. So in between line below 75 is 64 and its root is what? 8, isn't it? The number next to 8 is 9. Product of 8 by 9 is 72, which is less than 75. So take the largest number. So our answer will be what? 87. This is super easy if you study this simple trick. Okay. Now here the last number is 6. If the last number is 6, the root may be either 4 or 6. And the number before the comma is 134. We know that 11 square is 121 and 12 square is 144. 144 is greater than 134. We take 11 square. Isn't it? 11 square is 121, which lies below 134. And the number next to 11 is 12. The product of both these numbers will be what? 132, isn't it? 11 into 12, 132. Okay. So the product of these two number 132, which is less than the given number 134. If the number is less than, we take what? The greatest number, and here we got 11 and here we got 6. So our answer will be 116. Is it easy? So this method is very simple. So do practice these questions at home, and if you have any doubt, you can put a comment in the comment box. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. So see you again with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye.